are going to create the vendor master data. Create the vendor master data. So create functionality is create vendor. XK01. Change vendor. XK02. Display vendor. XK03. Display changes vendor. XK04. Okay. Block unblock vendor. XK05. Flag for deletion. XK06. Okay. Then change account group of existing vendor. XK07. Okay. Then mass update. XK09. These all functionalities we are going to run it right now. Okay. We are going to run it right now. So we are going to create a vendor in which T code? XK01. I'm going to just refresh this transaction. XK01. Go to XK01. Enter the company code, purchasing organization, account group, press enter. Just I'm entering the vendor name is called Teeth Commercial Private Limited. The street house number, whatever it may be, for an example, Orange. House number, postal code city, city is Sydney, country is AU, region is NS. Okay, after entering this all things, you can enter all those rest of data also if it is required for you. Then press enter. Then it will come to this create vendor control tab. In control tab, all those taxation information will enter by the financial user. Okay, so we don't know what is the information they will enter because vendor is the part of from FI part from MM part. FI information part only we are going to enter little bit. Rest of part they are going to enter the known person. What are the information they are going to enter? Just skip it. Press enter. Create vendor payment transaction. In here you can enter the country, bank key, bank account, account holder number, whatever it may be. You can enter. But we don't know right now. We are not going to enter because these all are related to FI computations. Press enter. Who is the contact person? Joshi. Okay, Joshi. Press enter. Okay, reconciliation account. Reconciliation account means where we have to enter the reconciliation account in the text system. We have to enter the 1,60,000 for the domestic, 1,61,000 for the foreign vendor. Okay, so in real-time system, GL accounts will be the different. Cash management group, you can select it over here. A1 for the domestic, A1 for the foreign. Okay. So what is reconciliation account? When we are going to create an invoice receipt, at that time this account will get triggered as a vendor account, will get credited. Okay, all those accounting information you have to skip it because those accounting informations we have to enter it because it is required for the MM transaction data. That is the reason we have to enter it. When we are coming to this purchasing data is related for the MM specific. You have to enter the order currency. If your vendor is in your current country, then order currency will be the same. If the vendor belongs to different current country, then order currency will be the different. Terms of payment, whatever it may be, you can enter the standard terms of payment, payment payment immediately due to net, or within 14 days 3% of cash, everything, anything you can enter as per the requirement. Okay, all those things normally, so many things, so many options which we have. Slowly we can understand when we are going to run the processes. Based on the processes, we are going to select those options. Okay, then it will be make it easy to understand these all functionalities. After entering this order currency, just press enter and save it. Oh my God, 4,000 already exist. This is the thing. Someone has been created this number ranges already. He's deleted this number ranges. That is the reason 4,000 already existed. It will not get saved. It will get exit. What happens if you will get this type of issue? You have to come to this configuration. Okay, go back. You have to create the number. You have to come to this number ranges configurations. Come this change intervals. Not change intervals. Come to this number and status interval. Yes, options. Look this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it as a 99. Save it. Again, I'm going to create a vendor. Let me check the vendor is getting created or not. If the same number of vendor is available, it will not get created. Okay, I'm going to, for another screen, I'm going to create a vendor right now. Say 01. Yes, vendor has been created. You can observe this message. Look this. Vendor has been created for company code CG00, purchasing organization CG00.